What's up guys, Momo here, and today we're gonna be wrapping the roof of my 350Z. So materials you're gonna need: vinyl, water and soap, alcohol, a blade, microfiber, knifeless tape from 3M, clay bar kit, and optionally a heat gun. So the film I'm gonna be using today is called Shadow Black, so it's kind of this camo texturized material. And I'm using Shadow Black because my roof has some hail dents. Since Shadow Black has so many patterns and textures, it's gonna hide the hail dents pretty easy. So all these little hail dents shouldn't see after the wrap. First step, gonna clean the surface. So we're gonna spray just some soap and water, wipe it off. Now that we got the roof wiped off, gonna take our clay bar, get it nice and wet, and go ahead and wet down the surface again. And then take the clay bar and just run it along the entire surface. This gets all the small particles of dust off. So just take that across the whole roof. Now that we have the surface clay barred, now I'm gonna take just a rag and some alcohol and wipe down the whole roof one more time, just to make sure we got everything off. Next, gonna take my knifeless tape and run it right along all the seams on this side of the seam, so I'll be able to tuck it in later. All the way around, I'm gonna do the sides and the front, and I'm just gonna use a blade to cut the back. All right, now I got the knifeless tape laid down on the sides and front, leaving enough extra so you have enough to pull. And now, just next, I'm gonna lay down the vinyl and then make sure all the air bubbles are out. I'm gonna need an extra hand to do it though. Alright, got the vinyl laid. We're gonna go ahead and cut it, do the knifeless tape and trim the edges, and go ahead and tuck everything and get in some better lighting. It's getting pretty dark right now. Alright, got all the excess trimmed off. Now I just gotta tuck all the edges and then get in some better lighting and see how it looks. Alright guys, I think it turned out pretty decent. Cannot see any hail damage anymore, which is awesome. That was the whole point, but you know, there are some imperfections just due to my inability to wrap. Some slight bubbles here and there. Alright guys, well that's the video. I'm super happy with how it turned out. That Shadow Black definitely took away any visible hail damage, but only if you wrap properly. Thanks so much for watching guys. Catch you in the next one. Have a good day.